Learn Gujarati for restaurants and shopping. Are there vegetarian options? 2.
શું હું આ બદલી શકું?
Welcome to Survival Gujarati. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati you can actually use today. We start friendly, practical, and just a little ridiculous, because your brain loves a good laugh. Imagine this. You are in Gujarat, hungry, cheerful, and absolutely determined not to accidentally order mystery soup. Then later you go shopping and discover that a shirt labeled medium is apparently designed for a decorative lamp. So today you will learn 6 life-saving phrases.
શું શાકાહારી વિકલ્પો છે? શું વેગન વિકલ્પો છે? હું ચૂકવણી કરવા માંગુ છું. કૃપા કરીને. મને બિલ આપશો? એ બહુ મોંઘું છે.
And
શું હું આ બદલી શકું?
by the end, you will sound polite, capable, and slightly too powerful. The Hungry Traveler. Let's begin where many adventures begin, staring at a menu and pretending you understand all of it. You only need one smart question to take control. You sit down, smile, and ask.
શું શાકાહારી વિકલ્પો છે?
That means, are there vegetarian options? Break it by rhythm.
શું શાકાહારી વિકલ્પો છે?
Now the vegan version.
શું વેગન વિકલ્પો છે?
Are there vegan options? Picture a dramatic carrot wearing sunglasses and whispering to the waiter.
શું શાકાહારી વિકલ્પો છે?
Then a cooler carrot arrives and says.
શું વેગન વિકલ્પો છે?
Mini dialogue. Customer. Are there vegetarian options? Gujarati.
શું શાકાહારી વિકલ્પો છે?
Waiter. Yes, many. You relax like a champion. Mini dialogue. Customer. Are there vegan options? Gujarati.
શું વેગન વિકલ્પો છે?
Waiter. Yes. Your inner plant-based hero nods with dignity. When the meal is over. Now you have eaten well, and it is time for the elegant art of leaving without doing that awkward wallet dance for 12 minutes. Here are your golden phrases. A full polite sentence is.
હું ચૂકવણી કરવા માંગુ છું. કૃપા કરીને.
It means, I would like to pay, please. A shorter and very useful phrase is.
મને બિલ આપશો?
Could I have the bill? Imagine the server is busy, your tea is finished, and your table has entered that mysterious stage called, we are definitely done but no one knows how to end this. You smile and say.
મને બિલ આપશો?
If you want to sound extra clear and polite, say.
હું ચૂકવણી કરવા માંગુ છું. કૃપા કરીને.
Funny image for memory. A robot waiter hears.
હું ચૂકવણી કરવા માંગુ છું. કૃપા કરીને.
And immediately prints a bill from its hat. Very efficient, slightly concerning. Quick contrast. Asking for the bill is.
મને બિલ આપશો?
Saying you want to pay is.
હું ચૂકવણી કરવા માંગુ છું. કૃપા કરીને.
Budget drama in the market. Time to shop. Or more accurately, time to admire something beautiful, check the price, and briefly leave your body. You see a lovely item. Maybe a scarf. Maybe a lamp. Maybe a teacup so fancy it probably has its own passport. Then you look at the price and say.
એ બહુ મોંઘું છે.
That is too expensive. Raise your eyebrows a little. Your wallet will feel seen. You can use this in markets, shops, and anywhere a number attacks you unexpectedly. Repeat it once more.
એ બહુ મોંઘું છે.
The wrong size adventure. Sometimes shopping goes well. Sometimes you buy something and later discover it belongs to another universe. That is where exchange language saves the day. The key phrase is.
શું હું આ બદલી શકું?
Can I exchange this? Imagine you bought shoes. At home, you try them on. One fits. The other seems designed for a determined goat. Back to the store you go.
શું હું આ બદલી શકું?
Point at the item and make a tiny swap motion with your hands while saying it.
શું હું આ બદલી શકું?
Mini dialogue. Customer. This size is wrong. Can I exchange this? Gujarati.
શું હું આ બદલી શકું?
Clerk. Yes, certainly. Bonus memory trick.
બદલી.
Means exchange or change, so if the item is wrong, your brain can shout, badali before bad day. Speed round challenge. Now let's see if these phrases are sticking. I will give you the English, and you say the Gujarati in your head or out loud like the confident language ninja you are becoming. Are there vegetarian options?
શું શાકાહારી વિકલ્પો છે?
Are there vegan options?
શું વેગન વિકલ્પો છે?
I would like to pay, please.
હું ચૂકવણી કરવા માંગુ છું, કૃપા કરીને.
Could I have the bill?
મને બિલ આપશો?
That is too expensive.
એ બહુ મોંઘું છે.
Can I exchange this?
શું હું આ બદલી શકું?
Final cafe and shop scene. Let's finish with one silly story that ties everything together. Listen once, then replay and shadow it aloud. You walk into a cheerful restaurant in Gujarat. You open the menu, take a brave breath, and ask.
શું શાકાહારી વિકલ્પો છે?
Then you remember your extra careful food mode and ask.
શું વેગન વિકલ્પો છે?
You eat well, smile at the server, and say.
મને બિલ આપશો?
Or more fully.
હું ચૂકવણી કરવા માંગુ છું, કૃપા કરીને.
After that, you go shopping, spot a beautiful jacket, see the price, and whisper.
એ બહુ મોંઘું છે.
You still buy a shirt, get home, try it on, and discover it fits your elbow better than your body. The next day, at the counter, you smile politely and ask.
શું હું આ બદલી શકું?
Congratulations! You survived food, payment, prices, and fashion. Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work today. You learned useful Gujarati you can take straight into real restaurants and shops. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing these phrases out loud.
શું શાકાહારી વિકલ્પો છે? શું વેગન વિકલ્પો છે? હું ચૂકવણી કરવા માંગુ છું, કૃપા કરીને. મને બિલ આપશો? એ બહુ મોંઘું છે.
And.
શું હું આ બદલી શકું?
The more you repeat them, the more natural they will feel. Thanks for listening and keep practicing your Gujarati.